What's up, food soulmates? Meatballs, a food that transcends many cultures. Today we will be making a Thai version of them, combining the typical Thai meal seasoning of salty, sweet, sour and spicy. Here is what we will need. 500 grams of chicken mince, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, half a tablespoon of mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of peanut oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 lime. First, chop up the coriander leaves. Put the garlic cloves through the garlic press. Peel ginger with a spoon and grate it afterwards. Our mince seasoning is ready. Combine all of the mince, ginger, garlic, coriander and mint in a bowl. Season with salt and mix thoroughly. Chill the mixture in the fridge for half an hour to marinate slightly and harden a little. While you wait, make the sauce by combining the fish sauce, sugar, chili powder and the juice of half a lime. Save the other half for garnish. Mix all ingredients until sugar is dissolved. Once the mince is out of the fridge, start rolling it into balls 1 tablespoon at a time. It's fast thanks to the magic of editing, but it might take you a few minutes in real life. Heat up the oil in a pan and fry the meatballs until golden brown. Be prepared to clean up the mess afterwards, as the mince combined with ginger and garlic gives off a lot of juice during frying, which sizzles in the hot oil and splatters all around. Serve the meatballs individually, resting in a pool of prepared sauce. To make it even more Thai, top it with the sweet chili sauce. Use whatever's available to make it even more presentable. We chose some leftover feta and coriander leaves, sprinkled with leftover mint leaves. Enjoy! And if you liked the video and are hungry for more recipes, subscribe!